In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum checkboxes in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted a quick way to see how many tasks you've finished just by clicking checkboxes, this is a simple and reliable approach that updates in real time as you work. We'll use a single formula to count checked boxes, and then turn that result into a clean percentage to track overall progress. Start by choosing a cell where you want the total to appear. Type an equals sign and begin the COUNTIEF function. Then, with your mouse, highlight the entire column or range that contains your checkboxes. It's a good idea to include all the rows you plan to use so you don't have to change the formula later. After the range, type a comma and the word true. This tells Google Sheets to count every box that is checked. Close the parenthesis and confirm the formula. You'll see a number that represents how many boxes in that range are currently checked. What's happening behind the scenes is simple. Each checkbox returns a value of true when it's checked and false when it's not. COUNTIEF looks through the range you selected and counts only the cells that match true. The best part is that it's dynamic. Every time you check or uncheck a box, the total updates live, which makes it perfect for to-do lists, sign-in sheets, attendance trackers, or any running checklist. If you want to see your progress as a percentage instead of a raw count, take that same formula and divide it by the total number of boxes in your list. For example, if you have 20 checkboxes, add a / followed by 20 to the end of the formula. Then format the result as a percentage by clicking the % icon in the toolbar. Immediately, you'll see exactly what percentage of your project is finished. If you want more or fewer decimal places, use the increase or decrease decimal buttons to adjust how precise it looks. A quick tip for clean results. Make sure your highlighted range only includes the cells where you've placed checkboxes, and try to select the full area you expect to use from the start. That way, new checkboxes you add within that range will be counted automatically. Turn your checkboxes into a powerful tracker with COUNTIF and simple percentage formatting. It's fast, accurate, and scales as your list grows. Follow for more Google Sheets tips.